In the ever-evolving world of blockchain technology, PiNetwork continues to showcase its innovative potential, introducing groundbreaking solutions for its users. One of the most exciting developments is the Pi browser, which bridges the gap between Web 2 and Web 3, offering a seamless experience for users in both traditional online shopping and blockchain-based applications. Notably, the Pi browser integrates the Pi wallet, creating the opportunity for PiCoin transactions on global e-commerce platforms like Amazon, taking digital commerce to a whole new level. Pi browser, a bridge between Web 2 and Web 3. Pi browser represents a revolutionary tool created by PiNetwork to link the two dominant spheres of the digital world, Web 2 and Web 3. Web 2, primarily characterized by massive platforms such as Amazon and Alibaba, relies on conventional systems for transactions and user interactions. Meanwhile, Web 3, which is based on blockchain technology and decentralization, offers a more transparent and decentralized model for interacting with decentralized applications dApps. The Pi browser allows users to seamlessly access both Web 2 platforms like Amazon and Web 3 dApps, providing an integrated browsing experience. This feature is significant because it makes the transition between the two worlds effortless, offering users a more cohesive and comprehensive digital experience. Integration with Pi Wallet. Seamless payments in the digital age. One of the most compelling aspects of Pi browser is its integration with the Pi wallet, which facilitates PiCoin payments effortlessly. PiCoin, the cryptocurrency developed by PiNetwork, has seen rapid growth within the digital ecosystem, and this integration opens up new avenues for Pi pioneers to transact directly on major platforms such as Amazon. This integration makes payments faster and more efficient, particularly for PiNetwork users who wish to use their digital assets for online purchases. Blockchain's inherent security and transparency benefits enhance the payment process, ensuring users can complete transactions with confidence, knowing their financial information is safe and secure. Latin Chain's demonstration, a step toward PiCoin transactions on Amazon. An impressive demonstration by Latin Chain, a hackathon winner within the PiNetwork community, highlighted the potential of the Pi browser. The demonstration showed that Latin Chain was able to access Amazon and track transactions using the Pi browser, a groundbreaking achievement that signals the possibility of PiCoin being accepted as a payment method on the platform in the near future. While PiCoin is not yet officially accepted on Amazon, this demonstration marks a crucial step toward realizing this integration. With the Pi browser's capabilities and the growing potential for PiCoin transactions, the future of digital commerce looks poised for transformation. Securing Amazon's approval would pave the way for PiCoin to become a viable payment option for millions of users worldwide. PiNetwork's future, a broader integration of blockchain into e-commerce. With the rapid growth of Pi browser and its ability to connect Web 2 and Web 3, the future of PiNetwork looks promising. The possibility of using PiCoin as a payment method on major e-commerce platforms such as Amazon represents a significant leap in the cryptocurrency's mainstream adoption. As PiNetwork continues to push the boundaries of what is possible with blockchain technology, the future of digital payments could be revolutionized by PiCoin. The integration of PiCoin into mainstream platforms would be a significant milestone in the quest to make cryptocurrency more accessible to the global population. For Pi pioneers, this is an exciting time to witness and be part of a transformation that could reshape how transactions and digital interactions take place in the years to come. Challenges and opportunities ahead for PiNetwork. As PiNetwork moves closer to mainstream adoption, several challenges remain on the horizon. One of the key hurdles will be securing the approval of major e-commerce platforms like Amazon to integrate PiCoin as a payment option. This will require not only technical adjustments, but also regulatory compliance and collaboration with industry leaders. However, these challenges also present significant opportunities. With the blockchain industry's rapid growth and PiNetwork's unique position within the ecosystem, the platform has the potential to create a new model for how cryptocurrencies interact with traditional markets. If PiNetwork can successfully navigate the regulatory and logistical barriers, it may well become a key player in the global digital economy. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, and share.